Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to multiply numbers in Google Sheets. If you've ever needed to calculate things like sales totals, grades, or any kind of product between two columns, this is the skill you'll want in your tool belt. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to multiply values quickly and efficiently, and you'll understand how formulas in Google Sheets really work. Alright, let's get started. So I'm going to assume you already have your data set up in Google Sheets. Maybe you have a column for the number of items sold and another column for the price per item, and you want to find the total sales for each row. Super common situation. Now what you'll want to do is click into the blank column right beside your data. That's where we'll put our formula. Just think of this as the answers column, where Google Sheets will spit out the result of each multiplication for you automatically. Here's the important part. Click into the first empty cell in that new column and start by typing the equals sign, just like this, equals. That's how you tell Google Sheets you're about to enter a formula. It's like saying, hey Sheets, get ready to do some math for me. Next, let's point the formula to the cells we want to multiply. Let's say your numbers are in columns C and D and the first row of data is in row 2. You type equals C2 asterisk D2. That asterisk in the middle, by the way, is just math speak for times or multiplication. So you're saying, Google Sheets, please multiply whatever's in cell C2 by whatever's in cell D2 for me. Sometimes people forget the asterisk and use an X or just write the numbers together, but Sheets needs to see that star key to know it's multiplication. Hit enter and instantly you should see the answer pop up in the cell. If your numbers were, say, 5 and 8, you'll see 40. Now here's the really cool part. Rather than retyping that formula for every single row, let Sheets do the heavy lifting for you. Move your cursor back to the cell where you just entered your formula. You'll notice a little blue square in the corner of that cell. This is called the fill handle. Go ahead and click and drag that little square all the way down alongside your data. It's like you're stretching the formula to cover every row where there's data. Google Sheets is smart. It'll automatically change the formula for each row, multiplying C3 by D3, C4 by D4, and so on without you having to do it by hand. If your columns go down pretty far, don't worry if it takes a second. Sheets is thinking and updating everything as you drag. When you let go, you should see all your totals magically appear. And if something doesn't look right, double-check that your columns match the references in the formula. That's a common little hiccup when working fast. And that's it, you've just multiplied data across multiple rows in Google Sheets in just a couple of steps. Feels awesome, right? This trick can save you loads of time, whether you're managing inventory, tracking expenses, or crunching any kind of numbers. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and let me know down in the comments if you have any questions or run into any snags. I'm here to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick and practical Google Sheets tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy calculating.